Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting wireless headphones to their TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on TV. Turn on your Philips TV and access the home screen using the remote. Step 2. Use remote jack. Plug your wireless headphones into the Roku Voice Remote Pro's jack if supported. Step 3. Get Roku app. Download and launch the Roku mobile app on your mobile device. Step 4. Enable private listening. Connect the app to your TV and activate private listening with the headphone icon. Step 5. Adjust volume. Adjust the headphone volume for a comfortable listening experience. Now you should be able to enjoy your Philips TV with wireless headphones seamlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.